Welcome back to the channel, fellow adventurers. If you're new here, we do EDC gear and knife review videos. If you like that kind of content, subscribe to the channel. And also, just to let you know, channel memberships are available. If you become a channel membership, that makes you eligible for the monthly knife giveaway. All right, folks, so today we have something new from Civivi in front of us. This is the Civivi Outlaw Muk. This is a new knife from them. Let's get it out of the box and unbox it. As usual, it comes with a nice Civivi pouch. Very cool. And in the Civivi pouch, you get your usual accoutrements. You get your knife sticker. So that's the Division in Damascus. That's the sticker for that. You get your Civivi sticker. You've got a product use and warranty information guide. Of course, you've got your Civivi microfiber cloth. You can never have enough microfiber cloths, seriously. And then, of course, you get your little Civivi catalog, which is kind of cool. We'll get these out of the way, and we'll go and show you the knife. All right, so off to the side. And this is it. This is the Civivi Outlaw Muk. This is a flipper or a button deployment. You've got great jimping on top of that flipper. Take a look at that. Deploys out of there perfectly. Really perfect. I am a huge fan of a Muk knife. Muk has been a big influence in my outdoor hiking and camping theories over the years. His book is like the Bible of camping. So when I saw this came out, I had to have this. So let's go over it a little bit. First of all, this was designed by Trey Sprinkle, aka American Outlaw. And that's his maker's mark right there. Let's see if we can get that right there, if you can see that. Really cool maker's mark. And we'll put that down, and let's go over a little bit about the knife itself. So let's take a measurement, see how big this is. Well, first let's talk about the blade. Obviously, it's a Muk style blade. It's a button lock. Easy to deploy, locks up solid. You can even use the button to deploy it. Fantastic. Really nice lock up there. You've got G10 handles. In this, we have the two colorway G10 right there. Again, easy to operate with one hand. Just great on that. You've got the Civivi C on the pivot, like they always do. You've got a deep carry clip that is reversible. Place for a lanyard. You've got steel liners, so really strong. So now let's talk about the blade steel. It's a 14C28N blade steel. It's got a hardness of 58 to 60. It's a flat grind, satin finished. Again, Muk style. The liner is a stainless steel, by the way. And that's finished in a gray. And it's a tip-up carry, as I showed you, left or right. Perfect. Great for lefty or righties. It's riding on caged ceramic ball bearings. Button lock. Now let's talk about the size of this. So let's measure this up. Let's get our handy dandy ruler out. So this is coming in at basically just about just slightly under 3.5 on the blade. And the handle itself, let's take a look at that. So the handle length, if we start there, it's coming in at like 4.5. So that makes this guy overall just a little bit over 8 inches. So really nice size. Full 4-finger grip. And with that Muk style, you can get your thumb right in there. Fantastic. So the ergos on this are really nice because of the way the handle is curved. It fits my hand perfectly. I wear an extra large glove. Now let's compare that to two knives that I generally like to compare to because it's knives that people have. Size-wise, that's a Benchmade bug out. And it's bigger than the bug out. And then up here, we'll put down the Kaiser Knives guy, which you can see it's a bigger knife. It's a nice size knife. Something I prefer. I really like that size. I think it's a really great size. I don't have a problem with any size knife, but sometimes I like bigger knives, you know. So let's get some paper out and see how this cuts out of the box. Look at that. That's excellent. Now let's get some paracord. That is ridiculously sharp. We'll double that up. Whoops. I mean, ridiculous. Ridiculously sharp. So, that is fantastic. I really like this knife a lot. Everything about this knife is just quality. But that's Civivi. Civivi, if you know anything about Civivi, We Knife, which is you know, the upper end of the company. You know, the company is actually We Knife. But if you know anything about them, they make fantastic knives. Whether it's the We Knife division, whether it's the Civivi, or if it's Sencut. All of them are fantastic knives. They do such a great job. And this one is no different. Again, I love the design. I'm a Nesmuk freak. I have several Nesmuk style knives, but I think this might be the best of the Nesmuk folders that I own. Right off the bat, I can tell you it is. You know. So, all right, folks. That is your quick unboxing and overview of the new Civivi Outlaw Muk. All right, folks. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you like this kind of content, subscribe to the channel. And as I always say, until we meet again, keep your blade sharp.